So we got a new 26 CTS-V and some kind of crazy color. Let's see what the inside look like. Carbon fiber, the seats look nice. Oh, big cluster. Radio display all in one. So we are doing, what are we doing, David? 212s, kicker comp bars.
1200 kicker as always.
And then the key with the Cadillacs, ANCs, active noise canceling. I'm surprised, but they actually made a harness for this 26. Normally we end up having to cut antennas, but the customer wasn't having that this time. So I think it's going to be one of these plugs, and it's just going to plug in line, and this will stop your humming, your bumping, your all the craziness that the active noise canceling does to your subwoofers. Alright, so we are laying in the trunk, and I'm doing a video on this because this clip is a bitch. So you pop this out, you're going to think you have it all the way out. It is not all the way out. You're going to wait for the second click. Good job, Cadillac. 26 CTS. And then she's going to come out. And hopefully this is the right plug. This is for our... Nope, not even the right plug. Alright, so we're still in the trunk, trying to find where the ANC mic bypass harness goes. So we've done, thought this was the Bose amp. Actually, I think it's 8kg audio now. It wasn't any of those. So now we're trying to get to this one. It's a little bit lower. This is got Cadillac written over it all day long. Like, what the fuck, Cadillac? Pull that, lift this. We still have no audio logos, but we have nothing else in here, so this has to be it. Let's see what we got. Possibly this one. I don't know, those wires look a little bit on the bigger side. Ooh, we might have got lucky. And we got lucky. So it was this connector. And if we see, it's letting a few wires on the right side all pass through, and it's disconnecting all of these. So those are probably your mic wires. And we just gotta put it all back together. Fun, fun. Two comp R 12. Got a little rattle. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you niggas checking game. I'm balling out on every level. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you can tell them. Just made $1 million. No more boats.